Hello, I'm Thomas. Welcome in restaurant Voltaire, located in Parc Broekhuizen in Leest. Today we're gonna make a dish with codfish, some mussels, cauliflower and van. So when we start, we have a nice piece of codfish, marinated a little bit with salt, some fresh minced pepper on it. We're gonna pan fry this on one side. We have over here some Dutch sea vegetables. We're gonna blanch them in a short time. Meanwhile, we're gonna marinate it with some olive oil. Over here we have some slices of cauliflower. I will marinate it with olive oil, some zest of lemon, some chopped chives and parsley. Little bit of salt, piece of codfish. We give a last piece on the salamander. And we start with we made the cream of cauliflower. And then we have here the codfish. We made a lightly cream of Dutch mussel. Some shiso mayonnaise, shiso green from the garden. Some caviar. The thin sliced cauliflower. Some cassonne. Some more herbs. Some mussels as well. Some seaweed. With vinaigrette made of van. And then a little bit foaming sauce made of the stock of the mussels and the bouillon of the codfish.